Looking for backflow preventer valve services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how critical it is to keep your water supply safe, compliant, and free from contamination. Our expert backflow preventer valve services include installation, testing, maintenance, and repairs, ensuring your home or business is protected. Whether you're addressing a cross-contamination issue or need routine compliance testing, we provide fast and reliable solutions tailored to Sherwood Park's water safety standards. With over 10 years of experience, our certified technicians handle everything from backflow valve replacements to preventative maintenance, helping residential and commercial properties meet local water regulations. Don't risk contaminated water or compliance fines. Trust Sherwood Park's leading backflow specialists at Kingstree Plumbing. Call or book online today to schedule your backflow preventer valve service in Sherwood Park.